We're in the mukbang for the Alfredo. Look at that. I gotta put it up on something. Hold on. So that you can see it. Can you see that? Can you see me? All right. So I got some bread. Really shouldn't have this bread, but the pasta was just too scrumptious for me not to have the bread. Okay, hold on. Had to get rid of the noise. Okay, so I have some. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I ended up adding some spinach to it. Looks amazing. So let me try it. Tell you guys, you can just eat right at home, make these amazing dishes at home, and know what's in your food. Gotta worry about no hair droppings, other droppings, stuff that you don't know what's in it. It's all here. You know what you have in your food. Look at that. A big shrimp. I've been using a lot of shrimp in my meals lately, but that's because they're easy, and with all the other calories, I don't have to worry about the calories from the meat. Look at this. Yum. And I love having the spinach in there. Look at that. With all my meals, I like to have something green. You guys see that? I know I shouldn't have this bread, but it's so good. This is a brochet loaf. Look at that. Succulent. Just take that shell right on off of there. I use the same shrimps with my shrimp and grits. These come frozen in the freezer section, but they're the super jumbo ones. Let me tell you guys. This is really good. Again, thank you for watching Simply Bomb Cooking at Ina's. We're on Facebook at Cooking Ideas at Ina's. See that? Gotta go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Sunday on Simply Bomb Cooking at Ina's.